How to fix set date and time automatically grid out in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, click on general and then scroll down and click on date and time. Now here you can see set automatically date and time is grayed out, and if you want to fix this problem, then go back and scroll down and click on screen time, and then scroll down and click on change screen time passcode. Now click on turn off screen time passcode. Now enter your passcode and then go back and refresh your settings page, and then open general and click on date and time, and here you can see set date and time automatically is no more grayed out. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.